This is a basic instructional guide for industrial plant personnel. It tackles the most important aspects of a long list of on safety instructions. It is used to inform and remind workers on some of the main points they have to be aware of on a daily basis. First, we start with using safety equipment like goggles and a helmet at all times. This to remind workers that even if there is no danger around, they should wear the equipment. The next point, keep away from machines, highlights that any untrained user should not interact with the operating machines. Obeying warning at all times will prevent workers from getting involved in any accident. The last point conveys that if there is any doubt, the workers should not assume anything, instead ask for help to avoid consequences. For extra information on safety measures, Convergence training will answer any questions or doubts.